Today we are going to talk about marketing concepts. In management, the understanding keeps on evolving. The knowledge is continuously upgraded, and that is why the concept that were accepted at one point, they are improvised and a better version, a new version emerges, and we are going to look at how the concept of marketing has evolved over the years. Also, you will observe that the concepts that I am going to talk about, they have relevance to some product categories or some market situations even today, and so we have to consider them on one hand as the evolution and on the other hand as being relevant to different situations. Let us begin with the beginning. That is, in the initial years, it was the production concept. Whenever supply was limited, could not cope up with the demand, it was considered that increasing the production and making product available to people is going to satisfy people, because something that was not available, when it becomes available, people are going to be happy. People will have a chance to buy the product. But at a later stage, it was discovered that people are not only happy with any product, but eventually they will want a better quality product. And that is where we look at the concept called the product concept. Whenever technology made it possible to increase production and large scale operations started, then people started focusing from quantity to quality. When quantity is ensured or assured, then people start focusing on improving the quality. And that is where new features, new developments, performance, efficiency, variety, these are the aspects that people start considering. Also, at later stage, we came across a concept called selling concept. As the techniques of production changed, production in anticipation of demand was undertaken, and whatever has been manufactured needs to be sold, because manufacturers, they were paying to men, machine and material, and this money they wanted to get back by selling to people. Because the production was in anticipation of demand, what we observe is it was considered that we need to push the product in the market. People will not buy it on their own. Selling concept is based on a premise that consumers and businesses, if left alone, will not buy on their own, and they need to be pushed or pressurized to do that. In the later years, it was observed that such type of pressure tactics, such type of hard selling created bad feelings. It left bad taste, and so the evolvement of the concept of marketing that focused on needs and wants of customers emerged. Here, they started by understanding customers and manufacturing according to those requirements. And so, it became easier to get acceptance for the offer. The marketing concept is where they said the key to achieving organizational goals consists of the company being more effective than competitors in creating, delivering and communicating customer value to its chosen target markets. So here you will find that the basic aspects of management were taken into account. Lot of planning went before the actual action took place. But this is not the end of evolving of the concepts. Marketing concept focused on customers, satisfying customers better than competitors. But the latest focuses not only on the customers, but it also considers effect on the society. And that is why the recent concept is called as the societal marketing concept. And it says that the organization's task is to determine the needs, wants and interests of target markets and to deliver the desired satisfaction more effectively and efficiently than competitors in a way that preserves or enhances the consumers and society's well-being. And that is where you will observe today we are talking about the sustainable development, we are talking about the eco-friendly products, and it considers the effect on a larger majority. We are sure that the process of development is a continuous one. We have observed how it has changed from time to time, and we have to apply the most appropriate concept in a given set of circumstances. So, we must remember the past and we must be up to date about the current practices as far as the conceptual understanding of the marketing management is concerned, the concept is concerned, the various approaches that have been taken from time to time, and keep in mind the relevance of these vis-a-vis different situational aspects. Thank you.